And then somebody told me I can. Another option is to put the property in my son's name, who is a resident here in Australia.
Look, and that's not a bad strategy, except it still doesn't stop you getting that capital gains tax. It might mean that your land tax might be reduced going forward, or his land tax, because he's a resident. But as per the article in the Herald Sun, a third of all the people in this state who are paying land tax are not paying land tax because they can't afford it.
So what is going to happen to all these people who cannot pay the land tax because they cannot afford it, because the government wants to tax them until they die?
Well, it's only 10 years. It's a temporary land tax thing. So it's 10 years.
That's what they say.
It's only very temporary, isn't it? So what will happen is there'll be a lot of properties on the market. That's all. At the moment, you can see that the numbers are starting to climb up. Investment people are just saying, well, I'm not getting enough in rent to cover all these extra costs.
Correct.
Particularly non-residents.
For non-resident, paying the land tax is a lot more than a resident, right?
That's correct.
Oh my God. How much more? Do I even dare ask?
There's an absentee surcharge in Victoria of about 4% of the total value of the land component.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, so it's $100,000, that's $4,000 a year. On top of what the normal tax is for a local. So once it gets above $50,000, you're into that threshold. So yeah.
So that explains my $25,000 land tax bill, right?
Yeah.
If I was actually a resident in Australia, I would be paying less than that.
Correct. Yeah. But I mean, they're obviously still having trouble with it because how many are not paying? I mean, there's vast numbers of people.
Yeah, that's very correct. So anyways, all things tax matters, I can come to you for help.
Yeah. We can't give much in the way of help with the State Revenue Office because we don't deal in that area.
Okay.
But generally they're pretty hard to negotiate anyway. Penalties perhaps and whatever else, but we can put you in touch with someone if we have to.
Oh, who is the someone you can put me in touch with?
I think we've got a couple of conveyancers and lawyers that we can contact you with. But really negotiation. It's a negotiation about how much you can pay and how long you can take to pay it. That 25. The amounts in question are generally not able to be argued about. The value of your land is the value of your land. The rate is based on the fact you live overseas. That's a given. Therefore, that amount's, it's just basically about payment and time of payment.
Okay, I think I need to book my flight back home to Malaysia now.
Better make it a budget airline.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for the tip.
No worries. Bye.